Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a framework by which you can actually make games without having to code. This is the engine right here, gamemaker.io. So if you simply type this on Google, this is a simple engine by which you can build out games without having to code. So it's a ready-made framework. So you can download this framework inside your machine. It's a cross-platform software. Uh, If you're on Windows, simply click on download and then your download will start. So it will just download this framework. So it has a bunch of tutorials as well, how to get started with this game maker. So you can watch these tutorials to get started. So as you can see, it's hosted on their YouTube channel as well. So they tell you step by step how to make games using this game engine, and popular games can be built using this game engine for completely free. You don't need to actually code. You can use this game engine to actually build out games. So it's a very popular game engine. So definitely try this. So once it is downloaded, you can simply run the setup file to actually install this and simply use their step-by-step tutorials to actually build out very fun little games. So I just wanted to make a video to share this. They on their website they have given all these tutorials to get started to build a complete game from scratch using this Game Maker Studio or game engine. You can download the assets, the tutorial guide in PDF, all this stuff step by step. So you can run the setup file right here. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.